चाहते हैं। एक साहसिक और ईमानदार जज की विदाई में 2 शब्द बोलकर अपने पेशेवर जीवन के लिए शबाब बटोर लेना चाहते हैं। सबने ही जोर दिया कितनी मेहनत करते थे, हर समय तैयारी के साथ आते थे। सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता ने कहा, कई बार तो हम वकीलों से ज्यादा आपकी तैयारी होती थी। अपनी मां के निधन के अगले दिन कोर्ट आ गए और उन्होंने फैसले दिए, काम किया। उनके विदाई समारोह में हंसी मजाक भी खूब हुआ। यहां तक कि मशहूर वकील अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी ने जब उनकी तारीफ की तो भारत सरकार के वकील तुषार मेहता ने व्यंग्य कर दिया कि आज उन्होंने फीस भी नहीं ली है।
But the most amazing thing, my lord, which I personally find amazing is that despite, my lord, such an irreparable loss yesterday, your lordships put duty first, duty as a judge first. Otherwise, my lord, your lordships had an option of delivering judgments virtually also. But, my lord, this is what, my lord, which all of us will have to learn to put duty first. Lord,
at least I'm not surprised by the work ethic you have displayed because we've seen it all these years. In fact, as the solicitor said, we have the problem that you were over ready in many cases. A few months ago, actually, a whole group of lawyers, including from Maharashtra, were walking in the corridor and they stopped to talk about different courts. And I was sitting there. And they went court to court. And when your court came, I said, you know this man's name. So they recited the full name. So I said, his revered parents could not have found a better first name. Your lordship epitomizes the word Abhay. Absolutely ramrod, unconcerned about anything except what you think is right. You may be wrong, but what you think is right comes first. And I think that is something which is very, very cherished, very special. And we felt it in every case. Subject matter neutral. And that's a trait you carried through all these years and preserved it is itself quite remarkable. It's not easy with the pressures you face there. You have had many guiding co-stars. You've had, of course, liberty and environmentalists too, but others also. But you've always done justice in those subjects according to law.
सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता और वरिष्ठ वकील अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी की टिप्पणियों से और दूसरे वकील की टिप्पणियों से यही पता चलता है कि एक जज का तैयार होकर आना, हर हाल में हर दिन आना कितना कम होता जा रहा होगा कि उनकी